Doctor Who's budget to triple under new Disney Plus deal. As revealed last month, the BBC and Disney branded television have come together to co-produce Doctor Who. Broadcast reports that Doctor Who's exciting budget of £1 to £3 million per episode could triple to an episodic budget of £10 million. This would transform Doctor Who into a multi-million pound franchise. A source told Broadcast that it's an incredibly exciting time for the franchise, with Russell RTD expected to expand the universe with spin-off series similar to Torchwood and the Sarah Jane Adventures. A source told the publication the BBC had to make the decision for the future success of the Doctor Who because any show of that scale needs a partner. Reliability is the most important factor, irrespective of how many episodes you make or who the Doctor is. If you can bring in a single partner with one distribution agreement while retaining exclusivity in the UK, that is best of both worlds for the BBC. Broadcast report can be found at the link below. The BBC shared at the time, under a shared creative vision, they will deliver this quintessentially British show to future generations on an unprecedented scale with Disney Plus as the exclusive home for new seasons of Doctor Who outside the UK and Ireland. Both partners have aligned under the returning showrunner Russell T Davies, who is set to take hold of the show in 2023. RTD says, I love the show, and you know, it's all in the previous video that I sent the last few weeks. There's stuff there that basically a rehash of what this article says. The new episodes will premiere on the BBC and Disney Plus beginning late 2023 for fans of all over the world. The show will be produced in Wales by Bad Wolf and is a BBC Studios production. As I said previously, Broadcast report can be found in the link below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon for a new video.